jumping with the class. I mean, I don't like to do that too much because it does take away from the other students, you know, it's kind of, I'll do it a little bit here and there. But every day, okay, so you usually have a week with no classes, every in between classes, we'll do 2 weeks with a class. We have a class starting Monday, we usually have a week off books, 4th of July where it falls, we have to start class right away. So we leave that week open, well, every day from 3:30 to 5:30 is open, what?
Nothing. I'm here one approach the class.
Okay, every day from 3:30 to 5:30 is available?
Can I sit down? I'm really tired. I want to ask you guys to help us out. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make everyone an admin of our Facebook page. So everyone knows Facebook marketing is key right now. It's crucial. You know, big companies are doing it. And for us, it happens to be free. So what I want to do is we'll make you the admin of the page for like 25 minutes. What I'll do is I'll have you sit down with me at the desk, and we'll send a suggestion out to all your friends to like our page. It's a one-time thing. It just helps us go viral. It helps us brand our company a little bit better.
Yeah, I've been having friends on Facebook asking me information about
Yeah. It's just a one-time invite that sends it out and says, hey, you know, so-and-so has invited you to like this page. And that's it. So they don't get any spam.
It's not a spam, right?
It's nothing like that. It's a one-time message. You know, and that shows up on people's news feed. You know, it just helps us brand
once you
ourselves.
like it.
Out of the 250 students that we've trained, only one person has said no. So, David, remember David Ventura? He was an aspiring actor, so he didn't want to confuse anyone. That's why. I don't think he's acting though.
Oh, David?
Yeah, he's a good guy though. So, if you guys wouldn't mind doing that for us, what I need you to do, everyone's got a smartphone, right? Just friend request me. It's Anthony Paisano.
Facebook Paisano.
P-I-S.
Hold on.
P-I-S-A-N-O.
Oh, okay.
My profile picture is me in my douchebag glasses with the A-list logo on the back, so they can be hard to find. Thank you guys, we appreciate it. What's up, man? How you doing?
What was it, PIS?
A-N-O.
P-I-S-A-N-O.
Easy. Paisan.
Okay. Yeah,
So I take it we're not going to be friends, right?
yeah.
Do you want to be friends?
But he's
When
one.
he said, I need you guys help, I thought he was going to ask. You guys don't need money.
Yeah, I do.
Oh, no. I'm an admin of the page, so you'll be able to find me.
Who are your mutual friends?
Cool. Paisano, are we mutual friends? Oh, you have mutual friends, or you guys are friends?
We have mutual friends.
Ah.
What a coincidence.
All right. Last part of class here. Let's go do the bar. Let's go practice live bartending this time for tomorrow. Hey, actually, while we're sitting down here all together, let me tell you how tomorrow's going to go. Tomorrow's your final exam. It's 3 parts. Okay, the first part's going to be a written exam. For the written exam, I would review test 2, a lot of liquor questions, and there's going to be the drink recipes on there.
Are you going to have Bloody Mary ones? And stuff?
Yeah. Yeah, there's going to be a couple. The Mojito, the Manhattan, the Old Fashioned.
All that.
What? Well, I think the Mojito should definitely be on there. Let me look at. Let me pull a test up. I mean, I could change it, but. All right, yeah. Okay, the Mojito, the Manhattan,